Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to integrate AliExpress with Shopify. So you need to install application to connect those two platforms. And the most popular one is Desserts, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So go to your Shopify dashboard, open App Store or Google Play and install Desserts. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Desserts. Now head over to AliExpress and browse for a product that you would like to sell. With Desserts, you can import that product to your Desserts dashboard with just one click. From there, you can edit the product before it goes live, so change the title, change pricing, edit description, and even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. And finally, when you're happy with it, you can push the product from Desserts to your Shopify store, and it instantly appears as part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Desserts automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's shipping address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself, it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it, thank you for watching. If this video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.